Welcome back to Primetime News. To news overseas now, U.S. President Donald Trump's special envoy Steve Witkoff says that the U.S. is hopeful of having meetings with Iran this week, and Washington expects an answer to the 15-point deal on the table. Earlier, U.S. Secretary of State Marco Rubio said the U.S. expects to end its operation in Iran in weeks, not months, after a meeting of G7 foreign ministers. Rubio says the U.S. can achieve its goals without any ground troops being deployed to Iran, adding Tehran may decide to set up a tolling system for the Strait of Hormuz. Iranian state media reports claim that U.S.-Israeli strikes are targeting civilian sites.